Hi guys, hope you're well. I wanted to do a quick video to tell you how you can cut the learning curve right down with Clickbank and get results really fast. And the reason for that is I've put together a webinar. Now the webinar has been, and so the webinar was recorded, all the videos are there. And I went a bit overboard in a really good way. I've literally given you everything you need in one sitting. Maybe you'll want to do it in 2 sittings. There's 100 minutes. Think about 110 minutes of video there that takes you through step by step. If you want to make money with Clickbank, I covered literally everything. So the way I actually did the webinar was as though I've got a coaching session with you, and we cover everything. I'll give you everything you need to make money with Clickbank. I'll just walk you through it and then I'll show you what we covered. So this was the invite page for the webinar. It's called Clickbank Kickstart. I'm going to tell you what we actually covered on it, but when you get access here, the beauty of it, you can watch this video as well, but I'm going to tell you a bit more here. The beauty of it is you'll be able to watch the recording straight away, and you also get a direct if you have any questions, you've got direct contact as well. And furthermore, I've actually given you the top 3 Clickbank products to get started with, and I've actually given you all the emails as well, so they're ready to download and load in. And what we went through, I've picked 3 Clickbank products for you, and I've written all the emails, so you're going to get all that. And what I actually went through is step by step how I picked the products, why I've picked the products, the actual funnel to set up, okay, really simple funnel to set up, and exactly how to set it up. I shared the screen and I went through exactly how to set it up. In fact, let me just show you this. Okay, so I just thought I'd show you the recorded session, so you'll get full access to these. What I mean is, I'm going to put the link below. If you want to get in, I've left it up for the amount of time left on the timer, so I think there's about 1 day left. When you get access, you'll be able to go through the whole thing at your leisure with a coffee or with a cup of tea or even a cold drink. But you'll be able to go through, pause the video, play it, go back through, watch it as many times as you want. You get full access, so it's not going down or anything like that. You don't have to hurry and sort of try and get all the information. But the reason I'm telling you about it is I believe it will give you everything that you need to make money with Clickbank. It guides you through step by step. You can see here video 1 is 33 minutes where we get right into it, really good stuff. And then video 2 where I guide you through the setup. The exact setup is 20 minutes. So if you've never set up a funnel before, or you're unsure how to do it, or it's never been explained to you, or you don't know how to use the emails that you get, because I've written some emails out for you as well and picked the products out, you'll get a screen share like on video, so you can just walk through that video and get that funnel set up. And even just that one bit of the webinar of this video will really help you, because most people don't even get that far. You know, you've got like ClickFunnels with Russell Brunson. Most people don't end up getting a funnel set up that's gonna work for them, because it's all fair and well saying you need a funnel, but very rarely does someone sit down and actually share exactly what to do. So you get that. Video 3, I talk about promotion. Okay, so there's 23 minutes there. I talk about free promotion, social media sites, and exactly how to do it. The cool thing with that is, yes, you'll know social media sites, but you probably don't know how to use them. Or even if you do know how to use them, you might not be generating traffic with them. So if you want that explained to you, I share the screen and I show you exactly how to do that. And this is a big one that I think a lot of you all like. Video 4 is a 28-minute video. This is all just one webinar, by the way. I've just split it up into 4 parts to make it more manageable. About 110 minutes of content here. Video 4, if you want to send paid traffic, I'm showing you exactly how to use Facebook ads, okay, to promote Clickbank products, and what you need to have, and how to find your audiences, and how to set up the ad, and how to set up the placements, and how much to spend, and what to expect. So if I know pretty much for a fact that paid ads is a big question mark for a lot of people. They know it works, but it can be really difficult to get started. So if you just want a really quick tutorial going through that will get you moving and get you with something up and out there, and start generating a list and start generating sales, This is the be all and end all of it. The reason that I did it is to give you, if you're brand new, it will definitely be of help to you, okay? If you're a little bit, if you've been around a little bit, but you're just not making any money with Clickbank, and that's what you've been trying to do, and you can't seem to put the pieces of the puzzle together, just never seems to fit, or you can't get going, you're going to love it. If you're experienced, it's probably not for you if you're making sales already and doing well, but you could still use it and get some tips and traffic strategies there and see how I do it and how I recommend, so it wouldn't harm you. But it's predominantly for people that are brand new and also people that aren't brand new. In fact, the people that aren't brand new but have been around for a long time and just seem to go backwards and forwards and around in circles, it's definitely for you. Okay, so if you fall into that group, and it will give you, this is the easiest way without going on and on in the video. What it will do is give you everything that you need, so you can follow those videos that just showed you. Oh, and by the way, you get the emails done for you. There's some other download stuff that you've got there as well. You'll get instant access and you'll be able to get going straight away. You get the emails for all 3 Clickbank products, so you just need to load them in and make funnels with them exactly how I show you, and just send traffic to it exactly how I show you, and you'll be making money. And that, it doesn't get any easier than that. I take you right through, tell you why I'm doing everything, tell you a bit about myself and my 50 Clickbank products that I've built, and I made my living as a Clickbank affiliate, so promoting other people's products as well. Before I even built a product, I made my living as a Clickbank affiliate. And I'll tell you the truth, I used to make money as an affiliate, and if I found a really, really good product that was selling well, and I thought I could add value to it, because you get to know a product, I'd go and create my own product. I had a lot of products in the gaming industry, or you know, strategy guides for games, some top sellers on Clickbank, top sellers in the music category. I've had numerous products that have done really good, like wage replacing income, that have sort of been unknown, and I've promoted every single one myself. So if you want to see exactly how to do it and you find this stuff confusing, grab this. I think it will genuinely help you. That's why I'm telling you about it. It's available until the timer hits 0, and you can see the link below. When you get access, you'll be able to go through it straight away as well, so no waiting. I know it says webinar, but you'll get those recorded videos, and you also get full support. So if you have any questions, there's a way that you can send questions through as well. Guarantee is you'll love it, or I'll give you your money back. So I hope you enjoy it. Obviously, I think you will. I think you get tons of value, and we're not talking about a $2,000 product here or anything like that. Wait till you see the price. It's I think you'll get more. I think it's worth 10 times what you pay. Okay, so go and, all I ask is that you actually do the stuff in the videos, and you'll be very, very happy with the results. Go and check it out. I'd love to have you. I think it's the quickest way to get started with Clickbank. If you just want everything in one place to get going and sink your teeth into, that's the one. I'll put the link below, and I'll see you inside. Cheers for watching, guys.